In this video I'm sharing my honest experience using IDEX, the hybrid decentralized exchange that mixes off-chain order matching with on-chain settlement. In real usage, the platform felt fast and stable, and I like that it stays non-custodial so my funds remained in my own wallet rather than sitting inside an exchange account. Trade execution was reliable for major pairs, and the interface was clean enough that placing limit or market orders never felt confusing. However, the exchange still has limitations you should know about. Liquidity can be noticeably lower compared to big centralized platforms, which means some tokens have wider spreads or occasional slippage. There's also no fiat support, so you can't deposit money from your bank. You must already hold crypto to start trading. And while the hybrid model improves speed, it also means the experience doesn't feel as fully decentralized as pure on-chain DEXs. For me, IDEX works best as a secondary trading option for users who value wallet control and crypto-to-crypto flexibility, but it may not be ideal for beginners who want deep liquidity and easier on-ramps. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more honest tech reviews and insights.